Excuse me. Everyone pay attention here. From today, we will set up a new project in our company. All of you are working very dedicatedly. That is why the company is going to encourage you by giving out Employee of the Month awards. Those who complete targets every month will get a certificate of Employee of the Month from the company, a gift and a cash prize. We will begin this program from this month. So we will celebrate that today on the modest scale. Then we will announce the winners of this month. We will play a game which everyone must participate in. So put aside all that you are working on for now. Take part in the game. Get up, everyone. Come on, all of you. Let me explain the game to you.
Shefali,
Yes?
tell Neha to, no?
Oh, yes, I will be back. Neha,
Come on.
Where are you going?
Let's play a game.
You're the boss.
I'm bored of working in the office. I'm fed up. I want to play with everyone.
So, if you play with everyone, they'll feel conscious. They won't be able to give the game their best. They won't play freely, right? You sit and rest.
I came up with the idea. Why can't I play then? I can't participate. Okay. You can enjoy the game. I will sit inside wearing the mask of the boss. Enjoy.
Poor Samir.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Shefali, I'm not in the mood. No, I won't come. That's why I told you, come along. You will be in a better mood if you play the game. Let it go, Shefali. Everyone will talk for no reason. What will they talk about you? Don't pay any attention to them. They will forget about everything while playing the game. Listen, just come along. Come on. Shefali, come, let's have fun.
I'm only going to cook khichdi for lunch today.
Oh wow. Huh? Fry some papads with that too. Huh?
I won't break my back just so that you can get some tasty stuff. The papads are on a high shelf. My hand won't reach there.
Pari, go out and play, huh? Your aunt is in a mood to stage World War III today.
What is a World War?
I will tell you. Now go and play first. Go on, go.
Oh, Jess! Oh, Jess!
What is this? I scold you so harshly, but nothing matters to you? What are you saving so much for? Huh? I'm not a young lady anymore. I can't bring down a box from high shelf.
Who are you?
I'm Paranjape. I'm Neha's lawyer.
Why are you behaving this way? He overlooks the work on Neha's house, right?
Oh, yes. Forgive me. Come on in. Come. Come in. Sit down. Huh? Aruna, please make some tea.
No. It's okay, auntie. I actually came to meet Miss Neha, but she isn't at home.
How can she be at home at this time? She has gone to the office.
To the office?
Yes.
Oh God. After all that happened at the office yesterday, she still went to the office. That means Neha is really brave.
What do you mean all that happened yesterday? What happened at your office yesterday?
I mean, didn't she tell you anything about it? Oh God. I shouldn't have mentioned it then.
Listen, since you've mentioned it, just tell us whatever it is. Don't make us worry anymore about her.
Yes.
I mean, I don't mind telling you both. I mean, she always says a lot about you both. She feels truly supported by you. She believes that you are like her parents. I'm going above and beyond the call of my profession, and when I think as a human being, I can't find any answers. I mean, Neha is so nice. How can she get into such kind of a trouble? The bank officials went to her office yesterday. They told her to pay off the debt in time or they would take strict action against her. There was a huge scene in front of the entire office staff. Neha must be really upset about what happened there.
Oh God.
It's strange that the bank officials went to the office directly.
They can do so as a last resort, uncle. The thing is, the deadline for paying the debt is drawing closer. And besides, Neha can never be found at home. So then they went directly to the office. I'm afraid that if Neha doesn't pay off the debt within 4 days, then
What will happen then?
the bank officials will take over the house. Neha will lose her house.
To be honest, she speaks to us about everything. She didn't mention anything about this. Huh? Did she tell you?
She did not.
She said she would get an advance salary. Besides, she said you would help her, so we were really not worried.
Yes.
Uncle, please tell me which company can give such a huge amount as an advance. I'm helping out anyway. I'm here trying to do my very best. But the rules? I won't be able to operate beyond the rules. I would have helped. Not only that, I'm more than willing to help. But she would hesitate to take my help, right? After all, I'm an outsider. On top of that, her sister-in-law wanted her to marry me. So I guess she's just bound to wonder why I help beyond a particular limit too. I don't want her to think anything wrong about me. Because I'm only helping out as a person.
Yes, of course. Why not, right? We will help you.
Obviously.
Since we say that she's our daughter, we will do everything it takes to save her and solve all her problems.
Yes.
Uncle, you're right about that. But we are just regular middle-class folks. Where to get so much cash from? It proves to be difficult for most capable people to sell off land and farms. They even sell off homes that they are living in. That's when they can gather so much money. I was gonna do the same. I was gonna sell my own home. Since I'm alone, I don't need a huge house. I don't mind having a tiny room. In fact, if Neha and I were married, this responsibility would be mine to bear and I would have handled it. Anyway, it's up to us to keep trying. And I will keep trying till the end for Miss Neha. I will speak to the bank officials for an extension.
Yes.
But I have to ask both of you to please do something. Whatever we have discussed and whatever I said to you, please don't tell to Miss Neha. She will get upset if she see you suffer, you know. There's nothing else. And if you ever need any help, then please tell me about it. Okay? Uncle, here, take my card. Can I leave, Uncle?
Yes.
I leave now.
Yes, okay.
Aunt, I'm leaving.
Yes.
Let's start the game now, okay? The first game is called Blind Ship. There will be 2 teams. Each team will have 1 captain. But apart from the captain, everyone else will be blindfolded. The captains have to get their team members from one place to another.
I will be the captain of my team.
Yash will be the captain of the other team.
yes.
Hey, Shivali, you are on my team. Come here. She is gone off to Yash. Ghartonde will win. Come along.
Yash!
Come on.
Yash! Yash!
Yash! Yash! Yash!
Ghartonde.
Yash!
Ghartonde.
Yash!
Come on, speak.
Yash!
Ghartonde.
One, 2, 3. Yay!
Listen, did you pay the light bill? Huh? Here, have some tea. Listen, have some tea. Listen, what are you thinking of so intently?
I'm worried about Neha. We consider her our daughter, but we can't do anything for her. Paranjpe is a nobody and he is willing to help her, but we cannot do anything at all. Should we sell our house?
Yes. But we can't let Neha know about it. We'll sell our house. We will tell Paranjape to put all the money into the bank so that Neha has no more troubles. She can handle any kind of crisis that comes along. She's strong that way. But if she doesn't have a house, how will she manage?
You are right about that. Neha will ask too many questions from us. Where will you go? What will you do? What do we say to her? No matter what we say, we have no assets or land at the village to. Where can we go and live?
Listen, we have contacts in the village. We can build a cottage anywhere at all. We will manage something. But that will all come later. We must resolve Neha's issues first, right? That's important.
Yes. We will do exactly as you say. We'll sell the house and go to the village.
Listen. But what about Pari? Where will Neha keep her? And will we manage to stay without her either?
Now you see, we have to make some tough decisions.
All our games are over and done now. All of you have played so enthusiastically, and congratulations for that. Now let me announce the first name. The employee of the month this time around is Kranti More. Yay! Congratulations. Thank you. The second name is Rahul Kulkarni.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And the third name for employee of the month is Miss Neha Kamath.
Woo! Yay!
Congratulations, Neha.
I love your idea, boss. I believe it. You're a true friend to me.
Hey, hello. Don't sweet talk me into going away.
No.
Remember one thing. The heart is desolate without love, and a friend is always keen on a treat. Always. I resolved the 10,000 rupee question. Okay? I want a party for it.
Don, where do you want the party?
Paris.
Paris. Michelle from Paris.